हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल श्रुतिका टेक। आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छा कर रहे होंगे एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू बिकॉज लास्ट वीडियो जिसमें मैंने बताया था कि प्राइम नंबर्स का प्रोग्राम क्या होता है, उस वीडियो को आपने बहुत सारा प्यार दिया है, सो थैंक यू सो मच। आज हम देखेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड अ फैक्टोरियल ऑफ अ नंबर यूजिंग रिकर्शन। सो ये मैंने एक प्रोग्राम लिख दिया है एक नॉर्मल जावा लैंग्वेज में। आप इस कोड को आप जिस लैंग्वेज में यूज़ कर रहे हैं उस अकॉर्डिंग चेंज कर सकते हैं। सो सी में, पाइथन में, सी प्लस प्लस में आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग चेंज कर लीजिए। आज मैं इसका जो ड्राई रन करूँगी वो करूँगी n इज इक्वल्स टू 5 लेकर। सो n की वैल्यू 5 है एंड वी नो द फैक्टोरियल ऑफ n इज 120, दैट इज 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that is the factorial, and we are going to see this question using recursion. Okay, so let's start. So we come to the function fact int n is 5. So 5 value comes over here. Now we check the condition if n is equal to 1 or n is equals to 0. So what is this? This is OR. Okay. Now n is not 1 and n is not 0, n is 5 currently. So it comes to the else section. In the else section, we see a return statement which says return n into factorial n minus 1. So what is it doing? It says 5, that is n, into factorial, that is it is calling the function again with the value 4, n minus 1, that is 4. So with this we go back to the function and this time we call the function with value 4. Again we check the if condition. Is n 1 or is n 0? Both conditions are false. So we come to the else block. In the else block we see return n into factorial n minus 1. So it becomes return, what is n this time? This time the n value is 4. So 4 into factorial n minus 1. So what will be n minus 1? It will be 3. Okay. So this is 3. Now we go back to the function factorial with value 3. Is 3 is equal to 1 or 3 is equal to 0? That is false again. So we come to the else block and we see the return statement again. So it is return n, that is 3 this time, into factorial of n minus 1, that is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we again call the function with value 2. Is the condition true? N is equals to 1? No. N is equals to 0? No. Condition is still false. We come to the else block. The else block says return n into factorial n minus 1. So it becomes, how much is n? N is 2 this time. 2 into factorial n minus 1. So it is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay. Now we call the function again with value 1. And this time, let's check the if condition. Is n equal to 1? Yes, that's true. That is true. This condition has become true for the first time. It is true. Now, what does it say? It says return 1. If this condition is true, then return 1. And we do not come to else block this time. So it says return 1. So it returns 1. Where it will return 1, it will return to its calling statement. That is over here. Mhm. So how much does this become? This becomes 2 into 1. That is 2. Now, where did we call this statement from? This statement was called from this statement. So we, we return 2 over here. So how much does this become? This becomes 3 into 2. that is 6. Okay, now we return this over here. So this becomes 6 into 4, that is 24. Okay, now we return 24 over here. So this becomes 5 into 24, which is 120. So this is the answer. I hope this was useful to you. And because I see a lot of people who go through a program, who know the program, but they don't know how it is executing. So it is very important to know how it is executing, because in exams we can write the program, we can pass, but when we work in companies, we need to know what is the execution of this program. So I hope this helps you. And one more thing, this part this part is known as the base case. Base case. Why is it called the base case? Because this is the last case where we will return something. And this part where we are calling the function again and again, we are calling the function again and again in a recursive way. So this part is known as re sorry it is known as recursive case. Okay, so I hope this helps you. And yeah, do let me know your doubts in the comment section. And one more thing, I have made a video about my experiences when I was in 10th class, the events that came through in my life, the situations I faced. So you can go through that video and you can relate. If you can relate it with yourself, it will be great. Because I think there might be many people who might be going through the same situations. And if you can learn something from that, that is very, very nice. I hope that helps you. I hope this video also helps you. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.